Hi, this is Chris Thomas with Heatcraft. Welcome to another intelliGen training video. In today's video, we're going to go through how to connect your phone or your tablet to the intelliGen controller that is equipped with the optional MSC card through Wi-Fi Direct. The first step is to go to the connectivity menu in the intelliGen controller. Click into that menu. Scroll to the Wi-Fi Direct submenu. Click into that and ensure that it is turned on. Once it's turned on, you'll go to your phone, you will go to your Wi-Fi settings, and you will see the intelliGen Wi-Fi signal. Click into that. It will ask you for a password. That password is the number 9 10 times. When you connect to that, you'll get a check mark. You will say no internet connection. Don't worry about that because you're not going to the internet. You're just going to this controller. After you have connected to the intelliGen MSC card, you will open up your web browser and you will type in the IP address of 172.16.0.1, and that will bring you to this controller. And that's it.